here to record for you, boss. Edition.
It'll go to the TV.
It's over. It's all done. I don't even know how many quarters I put in there.
You didn't count? Well, you had $5 worth.
I think I put at least $5.
Ready to rock.
I gotta spray all this rubber off because somebody convinced me to do a burnout. Oh, like butter. Oh, that's not bad.
Brand new.
I'm just do another one.
Just roast the rest of the tires.
It's like multiplying. And on the roof too. Oh yeah, that's everywhere.
So agile.
Oh my god, this time's way worse. It's everywhere.
Oh no. You know what? I got some spare change.
Wasn't it a different one? I've asked him so many times to let me drive. Really like my dream truck. I'm building mine, but this one's already built and it's sexy as hell. And he finally let me drive it. I don't know how I talked him into it.
It's your lucky day, bro.
My lucky day, yeah. My lucky day. So
Hey, every dog got his day.
So now I get to drive this thing. I'm geeking right now. I'm pumped.
You got proof of insurance?
Oh, we don't got that.
Oh, shit.
I didn't have a driver's license. Are you kidding? This thing is clean. He's bumping. I need that.
You get to drive. I got to drive my dream truck. You get to drive your dream truck.
Mine.
I sold my dream truck. It was just what a day.
I'm so pumped. You know what would make this better?
If it was a manual.
Jinx. You owe me an OBS. He has rules. Oh, the tuner.
What the fuck? That's a sick ass spot. I've never seen somebody do it right there.
He said, I don't know what tune it's in. You do a burnout, you do a burnout.
Hey, son, I'll be back.
Did you see the dash?
That's pimp. All painted.
Yeah.
We're in like a $200,000 truck and we're impressed by a painted dash.
Literally.
Yeah, it's still an OBS though. The doors don't shut.
It's an OBS. That shit happens, bro. Look at Lacey. Oh, wait, what?
Wait a second.
Remix?
Wait a second. He probably can't hear me. Is that Mike?
No, Gabe.
That's
Who
Gabe.
is that?
That's Gabriel.
You get to drive it before I do?
Duh. I'm like the OBS guy, though. I don't really want to mess with the bags too much because
No.
we did have problems with it a little bit ago.
It seems
but
like a really pretty finicky girlfriend. That's what this truck is.
it is. It's like the ex that you can't ever get rid of out of your DM. She just keeps popping up.
Yeah, and
The problems just keep popping up on the airbag system. I mean, it's little things. It's like not a strong enough solenoid because this thing just pulls so much. The solenoids can't lift up all the that it's pulling. So the solenoids stick all the time.
Yeah.
Like everybody loves an OBS. You can't not love an OBS.
Oh yeah,
They think they're cool. You got a fucking Alamo duty with a sound system, okay? I've got a 97 OBS right here with better interior than that Alamo duty.
That better interior than my truck. It actually is the interior out of our trucks.
Bro, the engraving on this truck is worth more than that truck.
Took it out for 5 seconds and you already broke it, man.
Sorry, I got money.
Yeah.
I got daddy's money and grandpa's money, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Damn, that thing's fucking sick.
Oh, that's a sick ass Maggie. Holy shit. You fucking fit a head in there. What the fuck?
Gabriel was just born by this bitch. Holy shit, they have a 20-inch TV for the passenger. Just to distract them when they're going fast. What are you doing?
I'm getting the truck loaded up.
Oh, I'm sorry, you old you just can't party anymore, or what's that looking like?
Dude, I'm 40.
Huh, that's fucked.
I know.
Nice boots. Stop everything that I'm doing for what?
Over there.
Oh.
That thing's fucking nasty.
But you know what that body kit is, right? It's a Centurion.
Yeah, it fucks.
But it's all white, doesn't have all the decals on it. It's kind
That's
of
fucking
sick.
nasty.
You know what you should do? Make that bitch lower.
Slam. Dragon frame.
100%. Usually you just give the keys to like, hey, just drive it around the show, or take it to go pick up your grandma from the nursing
I never
home.
gave the keys to somebody and never gonna drive it ever again.
Sir.
I mean, I'm gonna fly down and come drive it.
Oh, definitely.
100%. They look randomly. You fucked up. You gave me your address.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna call you and be like, yeah, the brown truck's gone. I'm taking it somewhere. See you
Just
later.
tell me whatever you want and I'll leave the key there for you.
Gotcha. Well, thank you, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cry
Great day.
on the way home.
You don't look very satisfied.
I'm not.
Why not?
Because it's a stupid idea.
To get rid of the big truck?
Yeah. I know how Gabe is. In a week, he's gonna be like, fuck, I miss my big truck. You remember when it was at Kohl's and the last time he broke the rear end? It was literally at Kohl's for like 2 days. He was like, damn, I miss my big truck.
I
And
think
now he's like legit giving it away.
It's the
but nothing
exact same
compares
color.
to his.
Why not?
Because this one is unique and special.
Sometimes your dog dies. Sometimes girlfriends leave you. Sometimes you miss a homework assignment, you miss school. There's nothing like watching your truck literally leave. Yeah, I didn't like that. I don't like that.
All that's left is this little guy.
What am I now? Who am I? What a Florida, I don't know.
No, I'm sorry, this isn't big as big as yours, but it is the closest thing to it. I think.
Yeah. I'm fucking sad.